Welcome to Learn to Create a Design System, Part 2, Typography. So we're going to dive into our Create Typography page, and this is an example with all the typography styles already set up, and you can alter as needed for your brand, but I'm going to walk you through how you would go about creating your own typography styles. So firstly, if you don't want to create them one by one yourself, you can go into your plugins and find a plugin for typography styles. There's quite a few of them out there. So for example, you can select Typography Starter Pack, and that will give you the option to plug in these different variables: font family, rem size, size ratio, style count, line height, etc., and be able to apply those into your Figma file. And when you click apply, you can see that the styles are generated on the right hand side, so that's eliminating a lot of work for you, but it might not integrate everything perfectly as you need it to be. As you can see, the line height or the line height is at 19.2, which isn't exactly correlated percentage-wise. So some things like that you might have to alter as needed, and then of course apply your variables, but it's one way to simplify the process if you don't want to do it one by one. Go ahead and create your styles, as you can see here, from the header, paragraph, button, and label within your style panel. I've already created these in here under these categories, but I'm just going to walk you through how you might create one yourself. So here we have header 1 already applied, but I'm going to disconnect that and showcase how you can do this on your own. So I've set the header 1 to 48 pixels. This is a variable, and then the way you would do that is you would click outside of the frame, and in your styles panel, click to add a text style. You can name it here, whatever the name would be, and then use the slashes to categorize appropriately. So we would name this header / header 1 and create the style, and you see that it's populated here. And after you do that, you can add your variables within here, assuming you've already created them. And then the way you add your variables is with this variable button. You click your font family, you click down here apply variable, and then click regular, and same thing down here, apply variable, and you would click the font size. And where those variables are located is in the design panel under variables. You'll see that under primitive, I have created a section for typography, and that's where you'll see your font family, all of your font sizes, and your font weight. And reason being for wanting to create these at a variable level is if you ever need to alter or change a size or font family, you can do it one place and it's automatically going to populate everywhere you have these variables attached. So just to provide an example, if you want to change your font family, let's say we'll change it to combo. You'll see everywhere that it's attached, it changes everywhere. And swap it back to B Vietnam Pro, and it changes back. So everywhere that it's applied, it changes, and all you have to do is alter it in your variable panel, rather than having to go instance by instance and change it one by one. So essentially that's how you create your headers, paragraph, button, label styles that you'll be attaching to your designs in an easy way that allows you to solidify everything in one place, again, rather than having the extra work. So I hope you like this tutorial, and you can download this design file in the description.